We're back, refreshed, and excited to take this to the final session in our summit, Alibaba Cloud Summit in Yemen 2023. So, without further ado, Ghulam, the stage is yours.
Thanks, Basim. So let me share my screen and I will start discussing about our today's topic, that big data platform options which are available in the cloud, specifically in Alibaba Cloud. So just a second, let me share my screen. Yes, I hope you are able to see my screen now.
We do.
Okay, thank you. So big data platform on Alibaba Cloud. Myself, Ghulam Kader. I'm a senior solution architect in Alibaba. I'm responsible for different type of this cloud transformation, digital transformation in infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, big data, security, AI, a lot of things. So I'm also a certified trainer in different domains in cloud, which is cloud computing, security, cloud native, cloud migration, databases, big data, AI, machine learning, DevOps, so multiple topics, multiple things we can talk about. Before starting about the big data platform, a little bit introduction about Alibaba, like how different type of milestones we already achieved since 2009, when we very first time we started our cloud services. In 2014 we go live and we actually deployed all different type of services, solutions which are available in the cloud. And since 2014 until now, there are number of milestones, like in terms of cloud, our own Apsara stack. Like for example, if any customer, they have a requirement to deploy a similar type of cloud services within their own on-premises environments, we are very much flexible to deploy. We can support in that way as well. Artificial intelligence, then global IDC, the core technology which we deployed. And in the coming years, actually, our main focus is the very first thing is customers first, and then we can deliver a AI-based, AI-driven technology to our customers as well. So global data centers and networks, definitely Alibaba Cloud has number of options are available. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and the new terminology which we introduce as model as a services. So we are providing a different training for the modules, inference, development tools, regardless of any specific industry. Either you are from government sector, from health sector, fintech, banks, whatever the use cases are there, we are very much open to build a model based on your own like business timeframes, business timelines as well. So this is our global infrastructure. So currently Alibaba Cloud is providing the services in 30 different regions, where we have 89 availability zones, the physical data centers, and the CDN, the content delivery network nodes. The numbers are 3,200 plus. So we are visionary, having a quadrant from the Gartner report. We are visionary for infrastructure and platform as a service. We are leader in cloud databases, in function as a services, in container services, Kubernetes, and a strong performer for security and data warehousing solutions. So we are very much open with the theme like go local. We are available in the local areas, go Asia, or go global. So in all the ways, we are facilitating our customers across the globe. And the N-Cube, which is Next, Neo, and Nexus. So the core concept of these N-Cube is the cloud that keep evolving technology. So we are providing a new products, new solution, new technology in our platform to facilitate all different type of use cases. the cloud that transform every industry. So we are focusing not only on retail, manufacturing, or fintech. Each and every industry we are focusing, and we are providing different type of solutions to those industries as well. And the cloud that connects, includes, and empowers. We have a ecosystem. So based on our own ecosystem, we can empower any type of industry, any type of businesses. Digital talent, nurturing, then green cloud for sustainability, tech for change initiative. Green cloud means ESG, the carbon emission. So we are providing carbon emission ESG solutions to our customers as well. And the cloud that digitalize every industry. So we are redefining the techniques, the redesigning with our robust computing environment, plus the generative AI, the new era of artificial intelligence. So we are providing empowering digital innovation for traditional industries like finance, like retail, manufacturing, digital native businesses, and of course the Web3, the metaverse solutions, which is actually the future of the web, you can say. And at any specific point of time, you want to deploy any services, any solution on the cloud. So there are multiple concerns. So where your data is, what are the data residency rules are applicable, how secure your data is. So currently we are having 130 plus different type of accredited security compliance certificates, which not only fulfill the global requirements in terms of ISO different series, ISO 9000, ISO 20,000, 22,000, 27,000 series, and PCI DSS for the payment gateways. And we are also like complying any specific region, specific industry, and for the European countries, we are fully complying with the GDPR as well. And coming to the topic, how Alibaba Cloud is providing a comprehensive solutions in terms of big data and artificial intelligence platform to fulfill all of your needs. So we have a concept of one ID, one model, and one services. So using this, the theme from Alibaba, as yesterday, Mr. Sami, he already explained that one ID, one model, and one services from Alibaba. The focus is to provide a best practices, best solution, best performance from our side. So our best practices, if we're talking about our 100% data and system is on the cloud. So we are using the full cloud technology across the globe in all these 30 different regions. Dispatch 100K computers clusters, daily synchronization of 2,416 terabytes of the data, which process 970 petabytes of the data. And the real-time process, you can see 2.55 billion messages per second are generated from Alibaba Cloud platform itself. Global extreme performance, AI-based, as soon as you can see, 4x speed, exceed Open TensorFlow. If we are talking about artificial intelligence, #1 rank in image classification on ImageNet in Dawnbench 2020. And we are providing a different type of services for the medical sector as well. Open and efficiency, like we embrace the open source technology, the hybrid scheduling. We already deployed different type of open source solutions on our platform, and we are open to deploy, to provide a plug and play options for the end users as well. And using our own like Alibaba Group use of big data services. So we are using a different type of hybrid real-time batch analytics and services using Max Compute. Max Compute is our data warehousing solution, real-time compute using Apache Flink, and Holograph, which is again a real-time data analytics, data visualization can be generated. So using the same big data platform within Alibaba Cloud Group, so we achieved 596 million events in 1 second only, which is you can provide a real-time data ingestion into the Holograph as well. And 99.99% queries, which took just 130 millisecond of the latency. So no data movement. Using the single source, you can communicate with different type of services which are available with our big data platform. So PG ecosystem, which compatible and easy to integration with different type of data sources as well. And this is one of the live screenshot from our Double 11 shopping festival. Here you can see a real-time analytic and visualization for Double 11 generated by our own big data platform. So our big data platform comes with a different solutions from data ingestion to data storage, then data processing, data analytics, and at the end, the data visualization. So the big screen interactive dashboards can be generated, can be deployed, can be created using our Data V platform, which is available under our big data platform. So Alibaba Cloud Big Data and AI product portfolio, if we are talking about, again, data ingestion collection is a part, is a basic that how you can collect or how you can integrate with multiple data sources. So we have a different type of tools, data integration, message queue for Kafka, for the streaming data ingestions, and DTS data transmission services to collect a real-time data from the structured databases as well. So as soon as you collect the data, how you can store into a databases or different type of storage devices. So we have OSS, which is object storage services, different type of unstructured data in term of audio, video, speeches, in term of documents, Excel sheets, words can easily be stored in OSS environment. PolarDB is our cloud native relational database, which can store up to hundreds of terabytes of the data with the full scalable options which are available. Lindom, NoSQL database is there, white tables, time series, which can easily be integrated using Lindom. Analytic DB, again, MPP type of data warehousing solution. MongoDB is NoSQL. RDS is our relational database services, and Redis is a cache-based, memory-based database, which can fulfill any of your storage or database requirements, which the data you can collect from different data sources as well. And for big data analytics, we have Max Compute, which is again a serverless cloud data warehouse solution, which have a capability to store up to exabytes of the data with a full scalable options, you can say. Real-time computing using Apache Flink for the analytics. Hologris is our real-time data warehouse solution. In the previous screen, as you can see, this is all the numbers from these 1.7 exabytes of the data were generated in a real time. So this real-time data generation can be achieved using our Hologris real-time data warehousing solutions. Pi is a platform for artificial intelligence, which provide a full capability for machine learning platform on AI on artificial intelligence environment. eMapReduce is our like managed solution for Apache Hadoop. So all different type of ecosystems, different type of components which are available under Apache Hadoop can all be managed using our managed services for eMapReduce. Elasticsearch is a search engine solution, again managed cloud search engine is available with us, and at the data lake formations where you can do a different type of data lake metadata management using our DLF, which is data lake formations. So once you do like storage or database, then analytics, all the statistics has been done. So how you can visualize and consume that data. So we have Quick BI, which is business intelligence tool available with us. Log services are real-time data logging services. Data V, the previous screen, this is fully generated using our Data V, which is a big screen data visualization tool. Each and everything is available in a graphic user interface. The dashboards are available, different predefined templates are available. Simply drag and drop those templates into your dashboard, attach the backend sources, and you can generate an interactive, a big screen dashboards within no time. AI Rec, which is our artificial intelligence based recommendation engines, a recommendation engine services available, image search and open search. From the like I would like to share one example from an e-commerce platform. AliExpress is there. If you want to buy, you want to purchase anything, no need to type or search anything. So simply just take a picture and upload into your account. So system will automatically search based on the image which you uploaded in the platform, and will give you multiple options related to that image which you upload in the system, and you can search from that product portfolio what type of information you need. So everything can be done using image search. And open search, again, it's a smart search engine. Either it is image, some content, some words you want to type on top of that, some mistake happens while typing the words, some typo issues are there, no worries about that one. So OpenSearch is a smart search engine. It will read from the content and will give you the exact results which you are looking for. So this is our product portfolio related to big data and artificial intelligence. And related to that, we have our DataWorks, which is a single IDE, integrated development environment, which can help you to do a different type of computing environment, data integration, metadata center, scheduler of your tasks, or data development, data governance, data quality checkup, data monitoring, data integration. So each and everything, a one-stop data governance platform from Alibaba, which actually provide you a full thousand feet view of your big data requirement. Each and everything you can easily access from the console. So in different scenarios, if we're talking about cloud data warehousing is a part of our DataWorks, big data R&D, enterprise big data governance can fulfill all of your requirements using our DataWorks environment. So in the next slide, DataWorks comprehensive data governance. So some of the architecture which is just now you can see on your screen. So all the data asset discoveries, if you add your data, how different type of dependencies are there, how you can collect different type of data from different data sources. So data discovery is a part of our this DataWorks platform. So here we mentioned Max Compute is our data warehousing solution, EMR, which is Elastic MapReduce if you are using Apache Hive for your storage, or HDFS, which is Hadoop-based distributed file system, or OSS, Object Storage Services. So this data asset discovery will automatically collect different type of dependencies, dependent data from the platform itself. And on top of that, you can do a data asset mapping as well. So using our this portal, what different type of columns, what different type of data you want to match with other columns, other data tables, so that can easily be managed using the data asset map options. Metadata insights, data profiling, data analytics can easily be done. And on top of that, the security of your data, your sensitive data management. For example, if you want to hide one column from the developer, so that can also be easily happen using our DataWorks platform. Data quality checkup, some null values are there, or some empty columns are there, how you can manage those data, intelligent data monitoring, and resource optimization is by default a part of our this DataWorks solutions. And again, this is some of the secure your data with DataWorks Security Center, multiple layer of security. Using the Max Compute, we have metadata management, ACL, access control list are there, different type of policies you can define for your data. Project protection is there, authentication, package labeling can easily be managed using our Max Compute. On top of that, tenant level data isolation. So if you want to add multiple projects and you don't want to share the data, that isolation can easily be managed from the platform itself. Using DataWorks, authority control or authority application approvals, you need any approval to access the data, or flow management, authority audits, data labeling can be managed using data authority control under DataWorks. And on top of that, data security guard for sensitive data recognition, risk recognition and alarm system, data masking, data risk audits, everything can be done using a single ID, which is a DataWorks platform, which is available in Alibaba. So data expert control, like sensitive data usable but not exportable. Your developers cannot export the data, so that much security can be implemented on your data as well. Only exportable with administrator approval, authority control, data masking, and data viewing control. Even the developers or the users, they may not be able to view the data, only sample data. The original data will be hide from the console, only a sample type of data will be available, only small amount of data viewable. So multiple security solutions, security option to protect your data, to governance, to provide a full governance of your data can easily be managed using our DataWorks platform. So this is a data integration, as I mentioned earlier, like how you can collect different type of data. We support a different type of data sources, rich data sources, data ingestions, access controls, or complex scheduling that can easily be managed through our data integration, which is again one component under the DataWorks. And these are different type of rich data sources which are like we can easily integrate. We can provide a read and write options. Like if it is a relational databases, there are number of options are available. You are using MySQL, Oracle, DB2, Analytic DB, SAP HANA, RDBMS, RDS, different type of relational databases where you want to communicate, you want to collect the data, or big data storage like Max Compute, Holograph, Vertica, Lindrom, Hive, HBase. So there are multiple, like even third party or open source type of databases also available. MongoDB is there, Cassandra, OpenSearch. So we are very much flexible to collect the data from these different type of data sources. And on top of that, unstructured storage like OSS object storage is there, or you supposed to connect using the FTP. We have that options as ORC, gzip, zip format, or sequences files, and in message queue, Kafka, Stream, Data Hub, Log Hub, Meta Queue. So there are different type of like our data integration supports rich data sources from different type of on premises or from other cloud providers. So we are very much flexible to deliver to provide this type of data integration tool, which can connect your data sources and can fetch all different type of information and can put into our data warehousing storage environment as well. So under the DataWorks intelligent data modeling solutions, which we are providing for core competency, if we're talking about the data integrators, the dimensional modeling, data standards, and data warehousing plannings. So our products, they are a different type of number of advantages which can support you to fulfill any of your requirements and provide a one stop or a single option to provide all of your big data requirements. And EMR, if we are talking about elastic map reduce, so from hardware resources, we can provide our ECS elastic compute services, which comes with Intel, AMD, ARM, ECI type of compatibility. On top of that, we are providing our storage resources using OSS object storage services, HDFS, which is Hadoop-based distributed file system, which is powered by Jindo data. Resource scheduling, you can schedule all of your resources, when and how to collect these resources and put it into our EMR or on ECS Elastic Compute Services, ACK, or on a Alibaba Cloud Container Services for Kubernetes, or if you want to utilize a serverless environment. We are very much flexible to collect, to schedule different type of resources and can collect the data into these different type of products which are available. Management platform, monitoring and alarm, flexible scheduling, cluster diagnostic. If any problem happenings to your infrastructure, to your environment, cluster will automatically diagnose the issues and can give you different type of alerts and notifications as well. Permissions and security, component management, and on top of that, analysis scenario in terms of data lakes, in terms of OLAP, which is online transaction for analytic protocols. Data flow are there, data services, data science using TensorFlow, PyTorch, HBase, Phonics, Apache Flink, or Kafka. There are multiple combinations are available to fulfill any of your requirements to deploy a big data or data warehousing or data analytics in Alibaba Cloud Platform. So some of the key advantages like new platform experience, optimized cluster created. As soon as we are talking about EMR, which is Elastic Map Reduce, it is a managed solution for Apache Hadoop. So if you are familiar with the big data or Apache Hadoop, it's very difficult to manage the cluster of Hadoop environment in your own premises. The architecture is so complicated. As soon as for this type of requirement, definitely you need a very expert level to manage your Hadoop infrastructure. But from Alibaba Cloud side, we are providing a fully managed solution. No need to worry about the underlayer of your infrastructure. Simply build your cluster, deploy your data, and you are ready to run any type of workload, any type of resources on our EMR. Data development, you can do different type of data development using Jupyter notebook is available in our platform. Workflows using Dolphin scheduler, data development governance using DataWorks. Everything like in term of data development can easily be managed on the EMR. Resource, different type of resources as I shared earlier, ECS, our ARMS, our ACK or serverless is there to support you any type of workload. Data lake analytics, it's again a fully managed data lake storage options. No need to worry about the infrastructure or underlayer architecture, how to manage these things, what are the patches, what are the upgrades required to fulfill any type of data lake infrastructure requirements can easily be managed by our support team. So on top of that, only you have to manage your data only. And these are some of the success stories, success cases with Alibaba, with different type of financial services, where the customer is like global asset derivatives, a trading platform. So they have a requirement to support easy, fast, and low cost synchronization of database and table data. And using our own infrastructure, this is the whole architecture from PolarDB perspective, from ETL, which is extract the data, transform it, and load into our warehousing solution, process and storage. So how we can fulfill this financial services requirement. So again, another use case for AI-driven service provider. So where we provide our DataWorks, max compute, real-time compute, and OSS to fulfill all of their requirements. And means they are having more than 75,000 merchants and 20 million consumers across 12 different markets. And they are facing different type of issues while accessing the resources in a real-time environment. So we build this architecture for them to fulfill their needs, and with the security concerns, with the architecture. So we delivered AI-based big data platform to the South Asia top AI-driven service providers. And for e-wallets also, we are providing a different type of solutions in terms of SSO, single sign-on authentication and authorization, multi-tenancy to access the resources from multiple areas, simplifications and standardization of the operations to deploy on Apache Flink. And this payment, different type of like dashboards or different type of data warehousing requirements, which we can offer to them. And one e-commerce platform service provider, and we also provide them our ADB, which is analytic DB for PostgreSQL, for job schedulers, which can communicate with our DataWorks platform, and which can easily be integrated with different type of Power BI, and they define different type of dashboards as well. And fast food chain, again, another type of customer to whom we support for our, while providing our analytic DB and our function compute, which is serverless environment, to fulfill their requirement to provide the full accessibility of the resources to their almost 740 different restaurants, and over 90 million customers across the globe to easily accessible, provide the resources from the big data and analytics perspectives. That's it from my side. If you have any question, I would love to answer all of your questions here.
Thank you so much, Ghulam, for your presentation. So like AI plus big data, it's the art of making a sense of nonsense of unstructured data. That's a short word. I can see like why telecommunication company should be like the next empire. They can run a lot of businesses, can build a huge economy just by utilizing this information into something meaningful and useful. So I will lead this questions if there is any, I guess for our guests here, Rahman or Yusra or even Mr. Saleh. They are more into this than I am. Anyone? Saleh, yeah.
No, well, really, the Ghulam has has presented an astonishing presentation that are telling that simply that Alibaba have an answer for any question. This is simply what I can say about what he presented today. I have seen a lot of companies that we are working with, like Oracle, like big data, like other companies that we are working with, and simply I can say that what he has presented is a cumulative of everything that we have seen in this life. So I'm imagining that this engine will answer the question before even you ask. Just think about it, and he will answer. So this is the simple words that I can say for Ghulam presentation. I have heard a lot of words, a lot of terminologies that come into the presentation was telling that, hey guys, we have everything. Don't even think that you think about the outside of Alibaba Cloud, okay, and
Actually,
Alibaba
I see him.
technology.
Actually,
Thanks.
I can see Ghulam like walking down the street in Sana'a. I can see him already there. I don't know why.
Yeah,
For that reason, I can imagine him, but I can see him and I can see Sammy as well. I don't know.
yeah.
Both guys will have him soon in Sana'a.
Inshallah,
Shortly we'll see
inshallah.
them, inshallah.
Thanks, Ale,
Inshallah.
for this kind words. And really, I tried my best to quickly finish all these things. But definitely, as soon as we have any specific use case, so we can deeply dig into that one, and we can provide a full end-to-end information which required to fulfill by the customer side. And we have a solution for everything. We are not only a hyperscaler or a cloud provider, we are actually a solutions provider as well. So we already deployed a number of solutions in fintech, in retail, in gaming, in cloud native industry. So we are actually confident to fulfill any of the customer requirements.
That's very clear. That's very clear, Ghulam. I can see that.
Thank you. Thanks,
Brilliant.
Ally. Thank
Thank
you.
you.